Welcome. Eric?
Yes, I'm here. Sorry about that.
Wonderful. So please. Yeah, I can see it.
Excellent. We can see the screen. Great job, Alex.
So, Eric, you can.
All right, Marcus.
Mhm.
So 10 miles from where I sit today, a tragedy took place. This is number 22, Mr. Charles Uvella. Charles was playing a tackle football game when he was celebrating and received a concussion. Unfortunately, he continued to play and collapsed on the field. 2 days later, number 22 passed away. I'm Dr. Eric Luster, the founder and CEO of Movement Interactive, and throughout my journey, I've seen my fair share of head impacts. This story about Charles impacts me the most because my 13-year-old son played on the same field. So I started a journey to develop Movement Interactive and do something about this problem. You may not realize it, but 4 million sports-related concussions happen annually, and that's in middle school sports alone. 50% of those concussions go undetected and unreported. This leads to chronic traumatic encephalopathy, CTE, which leads to depression, memory loss, and dementia. Folks, this is a $76 billion problem. So my team and I, we set out to develop a solution. We developed a wearable sensor that's capable of tracking 200 Gs of force, is lightweight, and is worn by our student athletes. And this is how it works. The athlete wears the Hegiband sensor, and each head impact is captured, analyzed, and reported. This data is sent to our mobile app where we track acceleration and rotation of each player. This is a student athlete that's actually wearing our technology and is in action. This was a clinical trial that we conducted with Gateway Community College, and we got to see real-time data of head impacts. Our core technology is the sensor, but our revenue model is built around a SaaS model. We actually sell data that the student athletes generate. To date, the clinical trials and testing of the technology has led to a lucrative partnership with the Women's Premier Soccer League, which boasts 170 teams. In addition, we've been contacted by DoD, and we have about $3.5 million in contracts and grants in the pipeline, and a teaming partner on a $1.03 billion contract opportunity. During COVID, we didn't sit still. We actually adapted the technology to detect falls in the senior living community, and we're really excited about that opportunity. Our model is a B2B and B2G model, eventually going to a B2C model that leverages the advertisement revenue. Folks, we're safety as a service, and we provide and address anxiety for parents out there with student athletes that experience concussions. Our team is action-packed. We have student athletes and professional athletes that have seen their fair share of concussions as well. And in the midst of that, we've raised $500K in the seed round, and we've been able to build an end-to-end solution with that. With that, please join me and help prevent a story like Charles's happening again to anyone else's kid. Thank you.
Thank you.